we're gonna unbox intercom setup for our helmet. This is from BluArmor. This is a new product which they launched, product from BluArmor. They have a C50 as well, which is the expensive one, and C30 was there for all this while, and this is just fits in between the C30 and C50. Couple of things about this. This is a Bluetooth plus an intercom, mean to say you can connect with your fellow riders and you can talk. It's got that ride grid technology, but not the complete one, but it's a light one. So you can get into the ride grid and more than 5 to 6 people can have conversation at the same time. You need not keep switching your mode. It's got a 3-button modular interface, and the audio is powered by Pulse, and it's called Pulse by Blue. It's a signature sound speakers. It's got 2 levels of noise cancellation, wind noise cancellation, and also it's got music sharing via Buddy Connect. Okay, it says 9,999. When I bought it during the launch, it was 6,999, so I got about 3,000 rupees discount on this particular product. And a couple of things more is that when you have on intercom, you can have a range of about 1 kilometer when there is no buildings or there's nothing that's blocking. It's IP67 rated, so mean to say you can ride in rain without any worry. First, let's get to the unboxing. So let me go ahead and unbox this using a pencil. Not bad. It's properly sealed. This is the device. The Type-C cable goes in here. This is the dock which goes behind the helmet, and it would just sit like this. Okay, some instruction manual how to download and install the product. This should be installation guide. Just open it. It tells what's there in the product. So we have the speaker spacer, 3-button module, click dock, wing mount, the module itself C20, charging cable, click dock cable, harness plus speakers, mic button, and also boom mic. So yeah, it's pretty loaded in the box. Let's see what's there behind. Yeah, it just shows you there's a QR code to download and see how you can install it. But anyways, we'll do it. And yeah, talks about what these buttons are meant for. Let's see what are the rest of the components inside the box. We have the wing mount, harness, 3-button module, boom mic, and click dock cable. So let's open that, check one by one. There's a speaker module which just sits inside your helmet, which this won't be visible outside. And it is got the 3.5 mm jack. This is wing mount which goes behind your helmet. I will show you how to fix this. It's got a 3 mm tape as well. This is the 3-button module which will go on the side of your helmet, and this would go inside the helmet. So this is basically to pick the call and disconnect the call or change the music. This is the boom mic, which you'll not be able to see outside. This will be concealed. It's got a 3 mm tape, so this also will sit inside your helmet. This should be your connector from the mic or the speaker to the unit. So basically this would go here and this would go over here. This should be the ideal setup. Yeah, definitely charging cable, button mic. Oh, there's a second mic as well. There's a button mic and speaker spacer. Let's look at, there's a charging cable. Again, you don't need this. You can always use your mobile's charging cable anyways. And then speaker pacer. There is a button mic as well. So there are 2 sets of mic. One is this and the other one is this. So based on the helmet, you can go ahead and use the one which you like. So this is what was inside the box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun making it. I hope you have fun watching it as well. We will be doing more tech videos like this. We will be doing more ride videos like this. Keep supporting our channel. We are 4,000 strong members right now. We're looking forward to grow. We have a lot of potential to grow. It all depends on you guys. Hit that subscribe, share this video, and do let me know in the comments below how this video is, and keep supporting Foodie Rides Techie Vibes. This is Naveen Signing off. See you all. Take care. Ciao.